Okay, so we're having a little trouble getting this. We got some of the right ideas, but I think what's happening is people are worrying too much about the details that are going to come along later to do the thing that you can do immediately. Like the thing you do immediately is you write, well, okay, we'll call this what comes in minus what goes out. It's the rate at which this changes, right? Then we're going to say Q in 1. That's not Q1 in, because Q1 is the quantity you have in here, right? And I didn't put that down, but this is going to be Q1 and Q2 in here, right? So Q1 in volume V1, Q2 in volume V2. Okay, so one contribution, one thing that comes in is this. And you know what that is. You multiply the concentration by the rate. So Qn1 is going to include C1R11. Okay, now what else?
Whatever concentration's in Q2.
Again?
Whatever concentration is in Q2.
Okay.
Times R22.
Okay, so what concentration's in that 2?
Q2 divided by V2.
Okay, so what do you get? You just told me.
Yeah. Q2 over V2 times R22.
Yeah. Not hard. Okay. Now what? You're going to have to subtract Q out, right? So, what's going out?
Q1 divided by V1 times R12.
Yeah. Concentration that goes this way times the rate at which it goes. And the concentration is Q1 over V1. Okay? And then, same thing, minus Q1 over V1 times R13. Okay? So, this concentration's going out here, going out here. This concentration's coming in, and this concentration's coming in, at all at different rates. And we can kind of then summarize this as C1R11, and that's independent of Q1 and Q2. Okay, which we didn't have last time. Everything else is totally analogous to what we have last time, just for more complicated reasons. But we're just going to have a multiple of Q2 and a multiple of Q1. So we're going to say plus. I'll write it this way. I'm not sure I like it, but might have wanted to write this out in front. But matter of fact, probably should have. And then it's going to be minus Q1 times R12 over V1 minus R13 over V1. Of course, I could factor out the V1 there. But one way or another, you just have a number plus a multiple of Q2 and a multiple of Q1. Okay? Now that differs because before all we had was multiples of Q1 and Q2. This is going to turn out to be a non-homogeneous term, as we'll see when we set up the matrix equation. Okay? So we have a non-homogeneous equation. Okay, we'll go ahead and write the expression for the rate of change of Q2.